Yo, what's going on guys, Zaina here, and today I'll be showing you how to get and use the animated green screen subscribe button with the bell icon. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open your browser and search Panzoid. The link will be given in the description, you can go check it out from there. Once you're on the main page of Panzoid, you have to go ahead and click on the box on the top left. Now on to creations. After that, you have to search subscribe green screen. There you go. Now scroll down and select whichever you like. After that, you have to go ahead and click on open in Clipmaker. Now to download this green screen, all you have to do is click on the arrow icon on the bottom left, select start video render and wait for it to download. Once it's done downloading, you have to click on download your video. After it's done downloading, you can go ahead and check it out. Now to use this on your video, go ahead and open your editor. I prefer that you guys use KineMaster for this, but if you guys have any sort of editor which has chroma key in it, you guys can use that as well. Now all you have to do is select the file you just downloaded. Now to remove the green screen, scroll down and enable chroma key. And there you go guys, you can put this subscribe icon anywhere you like on your video. I hope this video helped you out. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Other than that, it's been Zaina and I'm out. Peace.